I think it's going to be a very tough game, and if you can win 1-0, that would be great.
Bale, he'll have a couple. Ashley Williams will have one as well.
Shame about Joe Allen, but he scored a good goal.
When this is bouncing, it's the best. Goosebumps, I can't wait for the national anthem.
If I was playing on that pitch, hearing 36,000 people singing the Welsh national anthem, I'd want to get that ball in the net. Like.
It's going to be bouncing, it's always bouncing now. Pretty electric.
5-0.
5-0?
Together stronger! Come on, Cymru!
A little bit disappointing the result, I suppose, but the kids have enjoyed it, that's the main thing.
Joe Ledley was my man of the match, so.
It's a long time, so we've got a long more games left.
Everyone's singing their hearts out.
Fantastic, great atmosphere.
Onwards and upwards and go again.